Good morning, y'all. So it's February 20th, or January 20th. I'm a month ahead of myself already. And I'm just letting the horses out. And they are feeling frisky. We have Simon, Gator, and of course the kid, Batman. Silly boys. There's Johnny, Mario, without his mask. They're just feeling good today. Simon, oh my goodness. He does that often. Arabian. I wonder if he was ever trained at Liberty. I don't know. But here they come. Well, I gotta go let the rest of them out. Do your horses go a little batty when it's kind of cool? It's a cool breeze. We're expecting some more rain here, another storm coming in. But yeah. So I'm gonna go let the rest out. Bye.